I'm Professor Ruth Stark, and I am the director and along of the GRISE program and co-director of the RaMP program. We do lots of things with our students. They're all under the umbrella of professional development and career development. And one of the things that we cooked up to expose them to the work that each one is doing and the diversity of that work is to do a tour of each other's labs. Each student says something in their native environment. What are they doing? What's the work about? And they have to speak in terms that the others can understand. But it's powerful because they get to see each other in their native environments. And one of the things that motivated this was my realization that even though we're all on the City College campus, a lot of students had not been in buildings other than where their own labs are located. We started on the top floor of the CDI and we made our way down. And then we went over to the ASRC, and then into Marshak, and then into Steinman, and then had lunch together. And that's very simple, but they like it, and it opens their eyes to what others are doing. It gets them talking as they go along. It's just a fun exercise that also, I think, has educational and research training value. And sometimes students will realize that another lab is doing something related to theirs that they didn't know about.